Have you ever wondered how companies turn thousands of transactions into clear financial insights? That's where R2R, record to report, comes in. So R2R is a process that captures, processes, and reports your financial data accurately. From recording all expense and revenue entry to preparing balance sheets and profit reports, SAP R2R module ensures end-to-end financial transparency. It connects every department, whether it is finance, accounting, or operations, so business leaders can see their financial picture in real time. With automated workflows, accurate data consolidation, and faster reporting, R2R in SAP helps organizations to make smarter decisions and stay compliant. In short, it transforms the raw financial data into strategic business insights. So if you're looking for a career in finance or SAP, understanding R2R process isn't just important, it is essential.